Hey everyone, welcome to SAS Academy. In this video, we're gonna start to learn Java logical operators. We have three logical operators, but in this video, we're gonna see just two of them, and we're gonna learn the other one in the next video. So, by the way, in the next two videos, we're gonna write two different applications. One of them is age control application that we will write in this video, and one of them is exam control application. Okay guys, let's get started. First of all, I want to give you basic information about my logical operators. Let's write one of them, and that is, let's come here. I will write the AND operator. And AND operator is a sign like this. This is my AND operator. And this is my not equal operator, and this is like this, the exclamation point and the equal sign. Okay, this is my not equal, and this is my AND operator. So let's write a basic example and let's try to see them. First of all, I want to come here. I want to create scanner class. Sorry. I will say scanner and sc equal new scanner and system.in. And let's write here, let's try to create here number. I will say enter number. And let's write integer number equal dot next integer. Okay guys, now I created my scanner class and I created my integer. Now we can test this. For testing this, we said if you want to control flow of your program, you can use statements, and we're gonna use the if statement. Inside of this parentheses, I will write the condition, and the condition will be if number not equal to 10. Okay, this if statement will control if number not equal to 10. In this situation, I will write SOUT, and let's write your number isn't 10. Okay, so let's come here and let's just run this code. If I enter here, for example, 20, I will say your number isn't 10. If I enter here 100, or let's write 100 or 1000, I will say your number isn't 10. Or let's write one more, I will write 55 and I will say your number isn't 10. Okay, but if I enter here 10, I will say nothing. Let's write one more statement for controlling this. I will write else, sorry, we'll come here and I will say the else and my curly brackets. Inside of this curly brackets, I will write my condition, and this condition will completely, or will be vice versa of this if statement. And I will write here, your number is 10. Okay, so why I wrote this else statement? Because we said when we can use this else statement when we have the situation that our first statement will not be true, then else statement, we're gonna enter this else statement. Okay, for example, if I enter here 10, this if statement isn't true because I said if number isn't 10. And in this situation, I will enter inside of this else statement. So let's run this and let's try to see. For example, I will write here 90 and I will say your number isn't 10. But if I enter here 10, I will say your number is 10. Okay, this is my not equal operation, not equal logical operator. So let's remove them and let's write age control application. So, and we can use this, we can use and not equal logical operators here. So I will write here integer age equal s and c dot next integer, and I will write here enter age. Okay, and let's write here SOUT. Let's write welcome to age control application. Okay, and I should get here age. After getting age here, I can do my control. So I will write if, and I want to control here something. If my user, if my person has the age that, for example, less than 80 or bigger than 80 and less than 50. So it is a little bit complex condition, but do not worry, I will explain. So let's write here if this age less than, or let's write greater than 18. And I want to test here one more thing. I want to say if the age between 18 and between 18 and 50. In this situation, we need to write the AND operator. I will say if age bigger than 18, and this is my AND operator, I will write age less than 50. Okay, in this situation, the kind of like of I will create the range here, and that range will start from 18 and we'll go to 50. This is my first range. Okay, I know guys, it is a little bit complex condition, but don't worry. So let me explain this from the scratch. I said age greater than 18, and also this is my AND operator, also age less than 50. In this situation, I said I want to get users that have age between 18 and 50. In this situation, I can write here SOUT, and let's write here you are, what we can write you are adult. Okay, let's write one more. I will say if, and let's write age bigger than, for example, 1, and let's not write 1, let's write at least 3. I will say age bigger than 3, and let's write AND operator age less than 80. Okay, in this situation, my user is kind of like of child or teenager, I don't know. Let's not write child, let's write, for example, 30. In this situation, we can call our user teenager, okay? And I will write SOUT, and you are teenager. Okay, this is my second statement, and let's write here else if. Okay, so let me explain what is the difference writing here two if statements or two else, or not if, writing here else if statement. For example, your code will come like this. Will come here and test. If the first statement is true, you're gonna enter here. But if it is not true, you're gonna enter here. This is the flow of your program. But if you write here if statement, maybe your first if true, and then you're gonna try enter inside of this if statement. That is why you should write here else, and you should write here else if, not if. Okay, actually, I don't want to talk more about this because it is complex topic. We're gonna talk about this in the next videos. We're gonna write one real world application, we're gonna write Bulls and Cows game, and we're gonna talk about this writing here if or else if in these videos. So let's not to talk about this. I will say else if age greater than 30 and less than 18. In this situation, I will say you are a teenager. And let's write here else, and let's write, for example, what we can write else if, I wrote fee, else if, and I will write age greater than 50 and also age less than, for example, we can write 100, because I don't think we will user that has age greater than 100. Okay, and I will write here SOUT, and let's write here you are so old. Let's write here these signs. Okay, so let's run this application. Let's try to see. So welcome to age control application. Enter your age. My age is, for example, let's write 90. If I click enter, I will see you are adult. Actually, I'm kind of like a teenager, but it doesn't matter. I will write here, for example, 16, and I will say you are, sorry guys, I will say you are teenager. Let's enter here, for example, 46, and I will say you are adult. And let's write one more. I will write 90, and I will say you are so old. So guys, I hope it is clear. Let me explain all the things from the scratch one more time. I wrote here if age greater than 80 and less than 50. In this situation, I created a range for this age, and this will start from 19. Actually, it is 18. I will start 18 to 50. Okay, this is my first range. And in the second range, I said the age will start from 13 and will go to the 18. Okay, and that is my teenager. And the third, I said the range will start from 50 and will go to the 100. This is the third condition or third range here. Okay guys, I hope it is clear for you. Let's finish this lesson here. In the next lecture, we're gonna write one more application and we're gonna see our OR operator.